This is the 360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner S9, one of thousands of vacuum cleaners out there. But for the $550 suggested price and the tons of features it comes with, this could be the Tesla of vacuum cleaners. And here is my review about it, from design, mobile app and features, to the real-world performance. And by the way, if you click the link below, you might be able to find some huge coupon discount and get it for around $400. But don't do that before watching this review. Before diving into features, here is quickly what you get in the box. Of course, the paperwork, some universal plugs adapters, the charging base with the cable management slot on the back and rubber corners on the bottom. There is the wall adapter, an extra small brush, a minimalist remote control in case you don't want to use the app, and the mopping extension along with an extra mop for replacement. And finally, the robot itself. The robot design is pretty clean and simple. So on the top you have the power button and the recharging button, and holding them both will enter pairing mode. Opening this lid, you will find the water tank that you need to refill when mopping, along with the dust bin. Actually, when the robot is on, it will let you know when the tank or the bin are removed with a voice command.
Water tank has been removed.
So on the top you got your LiDAR sensor that will do the main job of mapping your house, while the ultra sensors on the side will help avoiding obstacles like furniture on walls. For those wanting to know more technical infos, this robot uses SLAM algorithm, which stands for Simultaneous Localization and Mapping. So the localization of the robot sensor in the real world and the creation of the map around it are done simultaneously while the robot is moving and updating them. And this means better mapping accuracy. More on that later. On the bottom, you got a small wheel and two big wheels for navigation, the main big brush that you can easily remove for cleaning, a small side brush, and this spot on which you can install the mop in case needed. So the S9 vacuum is controlled either using the included remote or by connecting to your home Wi-Fi network and using the 360 Robot app, which is the go-to method for the full experience. Using the app unlocks tons of features. The first time you launch a cleaning cycle, the robot will use LiDAR to map all of your house and rooms, and I was really surprised by its accuracy. Although at first it has mapped an extra non-existing room due to the furniture placement, but I was able to easily merge them together into one room since you can manually adjust the map. Once mapping is done, which works for up to 10 floors buildings, you can then choose to launch single room cleaning, the whole house, or set a custom area or room to clean, after which it will automatically return to the recharging base. So this robot is not only able to clean dust, but also mop the floors using the included mops, and by filling the water tank. You can choose the water spray intensity for mopping and the suction power for vacuuming, and set it to only mop, only vacuum, or do both at the same time. Also, if you want to fully automate your cleaning cycles, you can schedule days and times every week on which the robot can automatically start cleaning, whether the whole house or a specific area or room. I usually avoid scheduling because I want to make sure there are no cords or obstacles on the floor that may cause the vacuum to get stuck. But with this S9 robot, you are supposed to just trust it, because when it's stuck into a cord, it should automatically roll backward to free itself. Except that this does not perfectly work in all situations, but it is nice to have. If you have areas in your house that you don't want to clean, let's say your kid playground spot, you can configure a no-go zone from the app. This way the robot will avoid it, and according to my experience, this works pretty well. Also, the S9 vacuum can both clean solid floors and carpets when you choose this carpet mode, although I don't recommend using it for thick carpets as it drops in performance there. And the cherry on top is starting it by voice command using Google Assistant and Alexa. Simple commands like asking the robot to start cleaning or return to the recharging base. So these are three aspects from which I think we can judge this robot: vacuuming results, mopping results, and if all the mentioned features work well. Well, I'm really surprised by the accuracy and the features it was able to correctly deliver. Identifying rooms and mapping the house, avoiding no-go zones, easy and effective scheduling, responding to voice commands are just great. Avoiding obstacles is great when the room is as it was mapped, but when there are some extra stuff, it can hit them. but that's not a big deal as it changed direction. The cleaning results are pretty satisfying too. Don't expect a Dyson vacuum power, but for all the peace of mind you're getting, this is an absolute recommendation. One more thing is this maintenance menu from which you can check if you need to replace a brush or clean the sensor and how much cleaning time is left before doing so. So here's the bottom line. The S9 360 robot is just very good at what it does and delivers well on almost all the features. Having a fully automated robot like this makes life much easier, trust me, and I can only recommend it for the price. As always, thanks for watching, hope this was helpful, leave a thumbs up if it was, and subscribe for more.